Hey everybody, Steve coming back at you again. I have one thing that I'm really excited to show you, and that is the Cougar Paws. People ask us all the time, how is it that you're able to make these crazy climbs and maneuver these roofs with such grace? Yes, some part of it is experience, but a big chunk of it is the Cougar Paws. So the way that it works is there's a rubberized component on the bottom of the shoe that allows us to move up and down the roof without our feet actually sliding. Again, fantastic invention. The way that it works is this rubber component does deteriorate pretty quickly over time, just due to wear and tear. So when the sole wears out, you come down here and you just remove that sole and then put a new one right back on. That way, you're able to safely access these roofs consistently, especially when you pair that up with some experience. It's really a great marriage overall. So again, if you're getting on top of roofs for any reason at all, you're cleaning gutters or you're doing roof repairs, roof inspections, whatever the case may be, if you don't have a pair of these Cougar Paws, you're really putting your own safety at risk. I would highly recommend picking a pair of these up. If you do need to pick up a pair and you're looking for a link or looking for a way to find that, we'll drop a link in the description below. If you have any questions on this, give us a comment, give us a like, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks guys.